In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use the itsLearning Gradebook and the new feature Transfer to upload assessment grades in itsLearning to Infinite Campus. The first thing we need to do is turn on the gradebook in each of your courses. Under the More tab, you're going to click on Settings. You're going to click on Course Properties and Features, and then scroll down and click on the Gradebook, and this will activate your gradebook within itsLearning. Now you can see under Follow-up and Reports, you have the gradebook. Before we clicked on that setting, this was not available. Okay, now that the gradebook is activated, we need to go to one of your assessments, and under the assessments settings, we're going to edit this test setting. Mine has already been set. This usually defaults to no assessment, so we will change that to score. Once you click on score, it now asks you to add to gradebook, and you click add to gradebook. I like to keep my things organized, so I am going to click on quarter 3. It has category without a category. However, you can create categories in the gradebook settings. I will show you that in just one second. I am going to click that this is a homework quiz, and then I'm going to click Save. So for all of your assessments, you must again go under Edit Test Settings, make sure that assessment is score and you have added to gradebook, and then select the term and the category, and then click Save. Now that my students have taken this quiz, I am going to go to Follow-Up and Reports. I'm going to go to Gradebook. And here you can see that I'm on quarter 3. Of course, you could go to whatever quarter you were in or wanted to transfer. And then I want to click the Transfer button. Before I get there, let me show you how you can add your own categories in Gradebook. So under Gradebook, you're going to go to Gradebook Settings. You're going to go to Categories, and then you can add your own category. I have created summatives, homework quizzes, in-class quizzes, and my midterm review. Now, let's just go back to Gradebook, and let's do a transfer. So here I am going to click on the grade I want to transfer. If you wanted to do all of them, that is fine. I have already added 4-1 and 4-2, so I'm going to click on the homework quiz that I want to transfer and click Transfer at the bottom left. And then, it's hard to see here, you can't see the message, but it says that your assessments are being transferred to Infinite Campus, and it says it should. Okay, after a few minutes have passed, go to Infinite Campus, go to your gradebook, and as you notice, when we are working in the second semester, we always have to go to quarter 4 to see our actual grades. But because our itsLearning quiz was labeled with term Q3, we must go to Q3 in Infinite Campus to locate that assignment that was transferred. Here we have a flag of our assignment that needs to be categorized. So click on the flag, and we're going to actually click on the name of our quiz to categorize it. However, if the quiz had been labeled Q2 or Q4, all we would have to do is select the items here and here. But there is nothing to choose from because it's uploaded as Q3. So just click on the actual quiz or assessment, and then we are going to label it either summative or formative, and then we are going to select semester 2 since this is quarter 3, and then we're going to click Save and Close. And then now to actually see or view that quiz, we go to the quarter 4, and right here is where the grade has been inputted. For those folks that hadn't finished, then I usually just click Missing. And then you just click Save and the grades are there.